We are here to work. These are extremely powerful people to your left and to your right. These people that can absolutely create impact in your life, but it is on you to make sure that that happens. You want to be inspired? You want to figure out what it looks like to get to the next level? These are people you definitely need to engage with. You need to walk out of here with something profound that is going to change the trajectory of your business starting now.